Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is a scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject intelligent test, and the topic is logical reasoning verbal. In this one we are going to see the exercise 4.1. So 4.1, and before that one there's some model questions on page number 142 available, so that we are going to see. This is a exercise for age. Okay, so here question number 1 in a model questions, page number 142. Prutha and Shubham have the difference of 9 years in their age. After 9 years, what will be the difference in their age? So the difference in a age is throughoutly same in a life, okay, because both the age time is same for all, okay. So after 1 year both the age also increases by 1 and 1 year, okay, respectively. So the difference is always be same, so always keep the difference same, means that one the after 9 year also the difference will be the 9. So 9 means in option number 3. Now question number 2. In a family, mother and son's total age is same as father's and daughter's age. Okay, so we will just make this statement in a some equation format. Okay, so let's assume M for mother. Okay, S for son, F for daughter. Okay, so what is the statement? Mother and son's total age. So M plus S is the same as, means is equals to same as father, means F we are saying, plus daughter's age. Okay, so D. So M denotes for mother, S denotes for the son, F denotes for father, and D denotes for daughter. Let's assume this one. Okay, so as per the statements, M plus S is equals to F plus D. Okay, then mother's age is 3 times the son's age, means another equations we can format. Mother's age is 3 times, means is equals to 3 times means 3 multiplied by son's age. So M is equals to 3 multiplied by S. This is also one exam equation we can form up by this statement. Then the total age of all the family member is 96 years. What is the mother's age? Now another one statement is there, total family members age additions also given, means we can say M plus S means mother's plus son's age plus father's age plus daughter's age is equals to 96. Okay, so total 3 equations are there. Now FD means father's age plus daughter's age, this is equals to the MS, so this FD we will replace to the MS, so this MS we will keep it as it is. So M plus S plus, now this father's age and the daughter's age also the same is equal to the mother's age and the son's age, so this one also is a like a M plus age. Okay, so is equals to 96. Now here 2 times of the mother's age and the son's age, means we can say 2 multiply in a bracket mother's age plus son's age is equals to 96. Now 2 is here in multiplication, so here it will goes the division. So M plus S is equals to 96 divided by 2 is equals to 48. Now here M is equal to 3 times S, so we will replace this M also. So 3S, 3 multiplied by S means 3S plus S. Okay, this S is there, so is equals to 48, this one. Now 3S plus S means 4S, so this S is there, so is equals to 48. So S is equals to, here multiplication, here it will goes to division, so 48 divided by 4 means is equals to 12. So son's age we can say is equals to 12 year. Now we have to find out the mother's age, so this S is equals to 12, we have to put it in this equation. Okay, so means M is equals to 3 multiplied by 12, means it's a 36 years. 36 is given in option number 2. Now question number 3. Grandfather and grandson have 50 years of difference in their age. Okay, so let's assume grandfather means, suppose GF in short form we will use the GF for grandfather's age, then the grandsons. Okay, so difference is there, so grandfather's age always be more because he is a senior person, so minus GS grandsons, so is equals to 50. This is one equation from the statement we can make. Okay, so if their total age is 74, so total age means their additions, means GF plus GS is equals to 74. This one statement also we can form up. Then what was grandfather's age? before 5 years, before 5 years. Okay, so first of all we will calculate the current age. Okay, so what we will do, we will add these two statements here. Okay, so suppose here the after the addition, gs here the minus and here the plus, so it will get cancelled. So this is the 2gf, okay, is equals to 74 plus 50 means 124. So now here gf is equals to 124 divided by 2. Here multiply, 2 is in multiplication, so here it will divide. So gf is equals to 62. Grandfather's age is 62 now. Okay, before the 5 years means 62 minus, before means minus, we have to do the 5. Okay, so 62 minus 5 means 57 years. Okay, so 57 is given in option number 3. Now question number 4, Gangadhar Rao age equals the sum of his three grandsons age. So here I just note down, so this half I will use, so Gangadhar Rao, so I will use G for Gangadhar Rao's age equals to, means G is equals to sum of his three grandsons age. So grandsons GS1 dash plus GS2, 3 are there. Okay, three grandsons, so GS3. So Gangadhar Rao's age is equals to three grandsons age. Okay, addition, so summation of this one. Okay, so that is the statements, and from that statement we have make this equation. Okay, now the average age of these four persons is 35. So four persons means Gangadhar Rao and his three grandsons. So averages of this one means, how we can find out the average? So all the ages we have to add, means G plus GS1 plus GS2 plus GS3 divided by 4 persons, means we have to divide by 4 is equals to how much? 35. Now 4 is here in division, so it will transfer to in another side and it will multiplication. So G plus GS1 plus GS2 plus GS3 is equals to 35 multiplied by 4 means 140. Okay, so now, but we know GS1 plus GS2 plus GS3 is equals to Gangadhar Rao's age. So means we can replace this one, G plus G. So all these three ages is equal to the Gangadhar Rao's age. So we will replace this one with a G is equals to 140. So G plus G means 2G is equals to 140 means Gangadhar Rao's age is 70 years. Okay, and asking, okay, so that Gangadhar Rao's age is, we have find out, so means 70, and 70 is given in option number 3. Now question number 5, a son's present age is 4 less than one half of mother's present age. Means sons means S I will denote, and is equals to 4 less than means minus 4 we have to do, minus 4 from one half of mother's present age. Means one half means m is a, suppose as a mother says, and divided by 2. One half means divided by 2. Okay, this is the equation we can make from this statement. Okay, a son's present age is 4 less than one half of mother's present age. Okay, and 2 more than, and 2 and means again comparison of this one, and 2 more than, 2 more than means plus 2 more than one third, one third means 1 by 3 of of the aunt's present age. So a, we can say the aunt's age. Okay, so this is the equal, means whatever the with comparison with mothers and with comparison to the aunts, so that is a son's age. If the present age of the mother is 42, so this m is given 42 years. Then what was the age of his aunt 2 years ago? So this aunt age we have to find out first, and after this one, the 2 years ago means we have to subtract the 2. Okay, so first we will find out the aunt's age. Okay, so we know this 4 m is 42, so 42 divided by 2 minus 4, so this comes 42 divided by 2 means 21, minus 4 means it's a 17. So son's age is 17, and we, it's the same with aunt's age, one third of aunt's age and addition of these two. So 17 is equals to, we will compare this with the aunt's age. So a divided by 3 plus 2. Now here 2 is in addition, so in this side it will subtract it. So 17 minus 2 is equals to a divided by 3. So 17 minus 2 means 15 is equals to a divided by 3. Now 3 is here in division, so it will goes to this side with a multiplication. So 15 multiplied by 3 is equals to a. So a is equals to 45. But we have to find out the 2 years before the age of the ant, means we have to subtract 45 minus 2. Okay, so it will comes the 43. So that age is a 43, and 43 is given in option number 1. Now we are going to see the exercise 4.1 on page number 143. So first question there, the question number 1 is there. Soumitra is younger than Soumya by 8 years. So let's assume Soumitra is younger than, okay, means we can say their difference is given 8 years. Okay, so Soumya, so I will say SA minus Soumitra means ST, suppose, is equals to 8. Their difference is given. Okay, when the sum of their ages is 36, so their age additions, we can say that one also we can find out, or we have given. So SA plus ST is equals to 36. From the given statements in a question, we are making this type of the equations. Okay, what will be the Soumya's age? So this SA we have to find out. Okay, so now these two equations are there, so we will add these two equations. So in vertical manner, just make the addition. So this additions kept, this sign will kept as it is. So this is minus and this is plus, so this will get cancelled. So 2 SA plus SA means 2 times of SA is equals to 8 plus 36 means 44. Means here the 2 times means we have to divide by 2 both side, or this 2 is here in multiplication, that will shift to the another side with a division. Okay, so SA is equals to 44 divided by 2 means is equals to 22. So the Soumya's age is 22, and this is given in option number. Question number 2. Samved was born in year 2013 and Simran in 2003. In the year 2020, what will be the difference in their ages? Now, their age difference is already 10 years given, because 2013 minus 2003 it's a 10, and difference of the age is always be same in throughout the life. Okay, so their difference of their age in 2020, it's the same as like their difference from the borning. Okay, so that is a 10, and it's a given in option number 4. Now, question number 3. The total age of Naitik and Shlok today is 45 years. So, suppose we will make this statement to the our equation format. Okay, so total age of Naitik, so N for the Naitik, and Shlok, S for Shlok. Total means additions we have to do. So is 45, so is equals to 45. So this statement we can make. After 5 years Naitik will be 25 years old. Okay, so after 5 year old Naitik will be 25 years, means if we 25 minus 5 after 5 years na, so his current age is 20 years. Okay, after 5 years his age is will be 25, means if we subtract that 5, we will get the current age. So this 20 we can put it in this equation. So 20 plus s is equal to 45. 20 plus s is equals to 45. So s is equals to 45 minus 20 means it's a 25. So current age of the Shlok is 25. And we in question asking how much old will be Shloks after that time. After that time means after 5 years old, means this is a 25. So 25 plus 5 we have to do after that time, because this is current age. Okay, this equation is for the current age, and we have find out this current age. Okay, because the after 5 years that is a 25, so we have to subtracted 5 years, means this comes the current year, and this value we have put it in in this equation. So the s we are getting 25. Naitik age was the 25, means after the 5 years. The Shlok age is also 25 plus 5 means 30 years. Okay, and 30 years is given in option number 2. Now question number 4. Guddu's father is 3 times Guddu's age. Okay. So suppose we are saying, so here Guddu's father is 3 times Guddu's age. Okay. So Guddu's father, so GF assume Guddu's father, so GF assume. So is a 3 times means 3 multiply of Guddu's. Okay. Guddu's age. 4 years back he was 41 years old, means his father 4 years back. So, okay, so means currently 41 plus 4 is equals to 45. So this 45 we will put it here. Okay, so what was the Guddu's age then? Okay, then means after the 45. So that time, okay, when his father's age was the 41 year. So first we will find out the current age. So 45 is equals to 3 multiplied by Guddu's age. So Guddu's, this is a G. So G means Guddu's age is equals to 3 is here in multiplication. So that will be in division in another side. 45 divided by 3 means 15 years. Okay. But where to find out? Then means that times means before 4 years. So 15 minus 4 means 11 years old. Okay. And that is given in option number 1. Now question number 5. 7 years ago, Sanika and Kitki's total age was 30 years. So suppose Sanika and Kitki. So S for Sanika and K for Kitki. If we assume, so Sanika's and Kitki's total age was 30 years before 7 years. Okay. What will be their total age 7 years hence? Means after 7 years. What will be their age? Means suppose this is a previous age and current situation is here, suppose. Okay, and after 7 years what is their age? That is we have to find out. So first of all we will find out the today's age. Okay, so today's age means suppose after the 7 years means this is the previous 7 year means minus 7. Okay, this was the condition. Okay, now we will first come on this situation and then we have to find out after means in a what will be their total age means 7 years after this one means plus 7. Okay, so first of all before the 7 means this is the S plus K is equals to 30. So we will currently we will ask means their age will be increases by 7 and 7 for this one means S plus 7 plus K plus 7. Okay, so that is the condition. So S plus K plus 14. So that total we don't know, but SK we know. SK is equals to 30. So 30 plus 14 means their today's age total is 44. But after 7 years also we have to find out. So here again 44 plus S 7 years and this Ketki 7 years. His 7 years means both the 7 years and 7 years age we have to add means 7 plus 7. So 44 plus 14 is equals to 58 years means here their today's age total is 44 and after the 7 years their age total is 54. That is the meaning. Okay, so this condition SK plus 13 is given before the 7 years. After this one we have find out in 2 days means current age totals, and after the 7 years or we can say in future after 7 years what will be their total age, that we have to find out. So that total age we have find out in which is a 58 years, and this is given in option number 3. Now question number 6. The sum of present age of mother and son is 52. So suppose M for mother and S for son, so is equals to 52, and the difference of their age is 28. So difference means of course mother's age is more, so son's age should be subtracted from the mother's age is equals to 28. Then find the age of their son 2 years hence means in a future after the 2 years. Okay, so first of all we will find out the son's age in current situation. So we will add these two equations. So this after the addition plus and minus, so S get cancelled, so it's a 2 times of mother's age is equals to this additions means here the 0 and here 1 means 80. So M is equals to 40. How this 40 comes? So 2 times of M is equals to 80 means 2 here make a divisions. Okay, so 80 divided by 2 means 40. So mother's age is 40. Now this 40 we have to put it in any equations, or either these equations or either these equations. So suppose m plus s is equals to 52. So 40 plus son's age is equals to 52. So son's age is equals to 52 minus 40. So his age is 12, but in a 12 means we have to find out the hence means in a future. So for the future purpose, the age we have to add the 2. Okay, means in the future after the 2 year what will be there, his age. So 12 plus 2 we have to add. Okay, so his age will be 14 years after the 2, because there is a use word hence. Okay, so 14 years means option number 3. Now, question number 7. Chintu and Pinky have 4 years of their difference in their ages. So, just assume Pinky and Chintu, but we don't know who is elder or and who is younger. Okay. So, suppose Chintu, C for Chintu and P for Pinky. Okay. So, their difference. Okay, so C minus P is equals to their difference of their have 4 years. Okay, so their difference is the 4 years. After 6 years, their total age will be 26 years. Okay, so after 6 years means C plus 6 plus P plus 6 is equals to 28 years old. So C plus P plus 6 plus 6 12 and is equals to 28. So C plus P is equals to, here 12 is the in addition, so we will shift in another side, so that will be in subtraction. So 28 minus 12, so this is equals to the 16. So we know these two equations. Okay, so cp plus c plus c minus p is equals to 4 and c plus p is equals to 16. We got these two equations, so now we will add this one. So after the additions of this one, p get cancelled because this is a minus and this is a plus. So this is a 2c is equals to 20, means c is equals to 10. So Chintu's age is a 10 years, and we have to find out Pinky's age. Okay, so this c is equals to 10, we have to put it in any equation, either this equation or either this equation. So we will put it in this one. So c means 10 minus p is equals to 4. So we can say 10 minus 4 is equals to p, this interchanging. Okay, so this is 10 minus 4 means 6. So Pinky's age is 6, but here the condition, we don't know who is elder. Now here we have assumed Chintu is elder. Okay, but suppose if we assume Pinky is a elder, so this equation will be form of p minus c is equals to 4. In a same these conditions, here the 6 is a value of the 6c, means Chintu's comes. Okay, and Pinky's age will be 10 years comes, and just before because of the interchanging. So we can say Pinky's age is 6 or 10, out means from both the 6 or 10. So 6 or 10 means in option number 4. Now question number 8. Total ages of Kavita, Savita and Salma 4 years before was 28 years. So we can make a equation as per this statement. Total ages of Kavita, Savita and Salma's 4 years before means Kavita's age also was 4 years, means minus 4. Okay, plus Savita's age also we have to subtract with a 4, means Savita s minus 4 plus Salma's means SL minus 4. Okay, we are assume K for Kavita, S for Savita and SL for Salma. So that total age was the 28 years. Okay, so after opening the bracket means K minus 4 plus S minus 4 plus SL minus 4 is equals to 28. So this minus 4 and minus 4, so this will becomes one side. So K plus S plus SL then minus this 4 minus 4 and then minus 4 is equals to 28. So minus 4 minus 4 means their addition, so and the signing will be keep it as it is, so this will be minus 12, and this K plus S plus SL will be same as it is, and this is a 28. Now here 12 is in subtraction, so it will shift to the additions in another side. So K plus S is plus SL is equals to 28 plus 12 is equals to 40. Okay, then another after 6 years their total age will be 20. Then what will be the total of their ages 4 years hence? Means after the 4 years, what will be their total ages? So for this one, so what will be their ages after the 4 years? Means we have to add 4 in each ages. Okay, so means Kavita's age also that time 4 plus k. Okay, plus Savita's age also s plus 4. Then Salma's age also 4 plus h. So that we have to addition. Okay, so that is equal to how much? That we have to find out. So now k means Kavita, then s for Savita, and then sl for Salma. These terms we will keep it in one side, plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 means that is a 12 is equals to how much? So now we know the k plus s plus sl, this value we know, this is a 40. So 40 plus 12, so this is at 40 plus 12 means 52, and this 52 is given in option number 4. Now question number 9. Deepika is younger to her mother by 20 years. So suppose we will say M for mother and minus D for Deepika. Mother's age is more than the Deepika's age because Deepika is a daughter of this mother. Okay, so we will subtract M minus D, and their difference is given 20 is equals to 20 when their total ages is 40. So M plus D also we have given, means their total age is equals to 40. What will be the Deepika's age? So these two equations are given, so we will add these ones. So in vertical manner, so 20 plus 40 it's a 60, and minus D plus D means it will get cancelled, and M plus M it's a 2M, means M is equals to the 60 divided by 2. Here 2 is in multiplication, so that will shift to the another side, and that will comes the division. So M is equals to 30. So mother's age is 30, and this value we will put it in any equation, either this equation or either this equation. So let's put it this M plus D is equals to 40. So M is equals to 30 plus D is equals to 40. So this 30 is here in additions, or we can say plus. So D is equals to 40, and after this one, this side we will transfer, so that will the in negative, or we can say the subtraction. So 40 minus 30 means 10. So Deepika's today's age is 10 years, and that is given in option number 2. Now question number 10. Sachin is twice Priyanka's age. So suppose S for Sachin and is equals to twice, means 2 multiplied by Priyanka's age. Suppose P for the Priyanka's age. After 2 years, Priyanka will be 10 years. So after 2 years means, suppose P is Priyanka's today's age. So after 2 years means plus 2 is equals to 10 years. So today's age will be the P is equals to 10 minus 2. So this 2 is here in addition. So if we shifted here side, that will be in subtraction. So 10 minus 2 means 8. So today's age of the Priyanka is age 8, and this we will put it in this equation. So S is equals to 2 multiplied by 8. So Sachin's age is 16 years. 16 years means option number 1 is correct. Thank you.